How to add background to text in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Here, go to the effects library and from the title section, drag in a text clip. Next, click on the text clip in the timeline to open the inspector panel on the top right. Type in your desired text and choose the font, size and positioning as you like. Now, to add the background, scroll down in the inspector to the background section and enable it. After that, you will see options to customize the background color, outline color, corner radius, width and height. You can adjust the level slider to control the capacity of the background and fine-tune the padding around your text for a cleaner look. This gives your text a solid, color background that helps it stand out against the footage. And that's it. Now you know how to add background to text in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.